Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes like restaurant, updated. Preheat a non-stick pan to medium-low and whisk flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and melted butter until just combined. Use a measuring cup to portion batter evenly and watch for bubbles before flipping so pancakes cook through and stay tender. Finish with butter and syrup and serve immediately for that warm, diner-style experience you want at home. Resting batter for a few minutes helps hydrate the flour and yields fluffier pancakes with a better mouthfeel. Gently fold wet and dry ingredients together just until streaks disappear to avoid developing gluten and creating chewiness. Warm ingredients like room temperature milk and eggs combine more evenly and give a consistent batter texture. Keep heat moderate so pancakes cook through without burning while the centers stay soft and pillowy. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers into the kitchen for easier mornings and better cooking vibes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical guides you enjoy. I love using my Echo Dot to set timers, stream diner playlists, and control smart lights while I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a non-stick skillet or griddle set to medium-low so pancakes brown slowly and cook evenly. Pour batter in consistent circles and flip only when bubbles form and edges look set to preserve lift. Finish cooking briefly after flipping to avoid drying out the centers. Keep finished pancakes warm in a low oven while you complete the batch, and stack them just before serving to retain steam and tenderness for a restaurant-style presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.